Greetings. Median. Median is defined as the midpoint of a given distribution. It is the point which divides the given distribution exactly into two curves. Median is the point in a given distribution below which 50% of the total number of items lie. Today we are going to learn median using group data. The formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into I. Median is denoted by capital M suffix small d. Here L is lower limit of the class interval. M is the cumulative frequency, F is the frequency, I is the class size, and N is the total frequency. Now we see an example for median. Class interval and frequency are given in the problem. We want to find the cumulative frequency for the given data. For that we have to write the first class interval frequency 2 as it in the cumulative frequency. After that we have add the first cumulative frequency 2 with second class interval frequency and write cumulative frequency, that is 5. After that we will add the 5 with the third class interval frequency, we get 10, and 10 with 8 we get 18, 18 with 12 we get 30, 30 with 10 we get 40, 40 with 6 we get 46, 46 with 3 we get 49, and 49 with 1 we get 50, and n equal to 50, that is total frequency. Total frequency is otherwise called as total number of values, that is n equal to 50. The formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus m by f into I. To find the median, first we have to solve n by 2. That n by 2 equal to 50 by 2, that is 25. And we check where the value 25 is accepted. 30 is greater than 25, so the value 25 is accepted in 30. Therefore, the class interval 26 to 30, that row is selected. Now we find L, M, F, and I already we know that is 5. 6 to 10, the class size is 5. And what is L? L is the left extreme or lower limit. To find lower limit, we have to subtract 0.5 in 26. Therefore, we get L equal to 25.5. And M is the cumulative frequency just above the selected column. Therefore, the cumulative frequency M equal to 18. And F is 12, that is the frequency of the selected row. F equal to 12. Now we apply all the values in the formula. That median equal to L equal to 25.5. We have applied the value for L, that is 25.5 plus n by 2 is 25 minus m is 18 divided by f is 12 into 5. Now we just subtract the value 25 and 18 and we get 7, that equal to 25.5 plus 2.91, that equal to 28.41. Thus we get the value 28.41. The median for given data is 28.41.